Graduates, congratulations. You worked hard and you did it. You graduated. But as you now know, now comes the hard part, finding a job. But don't worry, I've got you covered with expert advice from the view of the recruiter to help you land your first job. First things first, I want you to take a deep breath and remember that finding a job takes time and effort. It's not going to happen overnight, but with expert advice I'm about to share, you'll be on your way to career success in no time. Trust me, you won't want to miss this valuable information that could kickstart your career. Hi, I'm Ilene Rein, an executive recruiter and job search strategist from Pounding Pavement 101. And I've helped countless new graduates turn their job hunt nightmares into dream job offers. But before we go into today's expert job search advice, I want to talk to you a bit about your college career services department. Now, I know that they mean well. You know they mean well. But the problem is they have this one-size-fits-all approach. And I will tell you, they have to do that. They have to treat all students equally. However, because of this, all graduates look and sound alike. This leaves your job search to chance. I don't believe in leaving things to chance. This does not help you in the open job market. So I want you to think back to your first day of college. Remember when they said, look to your left, look to your right, one of you won't be here when you graduate? They have been telling us this for years. They told this to me when I was graduating or my first day of college. And it came true. I didn't believe them as I was sitting there, but it did come true. One person was there and one person was not. But what I didn't realize at that time was the person who was graduating with me was my competition for jobs. So you, as you're graduating, you need to do even more. You need to do everything in your power to rise above, to become that candidate of choice. You work so hard to get to where you are right now. You owe it to yourself to give yourself the best chance of landing your dream job. So, if you're serious about finding a great job, the job that you really worked hard for, I want to invite you to first subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you're the first one to get an alert every time I post new content to help you in your job search. And I want you to go to my website. It's at poundingpavement101.com. So this way you can gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop. And there I will teach you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your job search. And if you're truly ambitious and aiming not just to find a job, but to secure your dream job to kickstart your future career, I want you to grab time on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers. We can discuss your job search, career goals, and whether the Pounding Pavement 101 program is the right fit for you. Now, I will tell you that the Pounding Pavement 101 program is not for everyone. It's only for highly motivated, competitive job seekers who are serious about their careers. I will tell you that this program is only for those who want to speed up their job search, secure a great salary, and land a position in their desired field. And really, most importantly, for those who want to find a job to afford to move out of your parents' house. Now, you have spent time searching for a job, going on the interview, actually, probably many interviews, and finally, you get a job offer. When you get a job offer, take a moment to really think about the salary and benefits that they're throwing your way. Look at the total compensation package. Look at the base pay, the bonuses, health insurance, retirement plans, and all those little perks. And don't be shy about negotiating for what you think you're worth. After all, you've got skills, experience, and you've done your homework on the market rates, right? Ever heard of industry standards? Yeah, use those to back up your pitch. If you're not sure what the industry standard is, then I want you to go to salary.com or glassdoor.com to check out the average salaries for your position in your industry, in your geography. Remember, this is your shot to make sure you're getting paid what you deserve and all the awesome stuff that you'll bring to the table. And, well, what I just taught you is incredibly important. It might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your new job. So, if you're ready to take your job search to the next level, here's what you need to do. First, hit that subscribe button to receive alerts when I post more expert job search advice videos. And please share this video with your fellow graduates. You might be the person that shares the game-changing advice to launch their career. I'm positive they'll be grateful for the job search advice. And if you really want to turbocharge your job search by learning my super secret inside job searching strategies that only a recruiter knows, grab time on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers. So we can talk about your job search and how my foolproof job-getting, career-building system, Pounding Pavement 101, can teach you how to land your dream job as it has for thousands of job seekers. My name is Ilene Rein. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist from Pounding Pavement 101. I look forward to speaking with you, and good luck in your job search.